Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're gonna see a new mobile that came to me from Cool. It's the Xiaomi Max 3, the latest creation of Xiaomi with the biggest display that has ever made, a 6.9-inch display. You can almost say that it's a tablet. It came to me from Cool since all in there it was in stock, and as I see now it's not. When I got it, everywhere else was in pre-order, and from there I found it and got. It's the 464 version. Now the dimensions of Mi Max 3 are 87.4 to 176.2 to 8 millimeters. 221 grams, made out of metal. You can find it in black, blue or gold. So this is the Mi Max, the box that came to me from Cool. Let's open it. This is the mobile, really big. If you want to compare it with my Mi 5S Plus, which has a 5.7-inch screen display, it looks very small, really very small. Don't forget that Mi Max 3 is a full screen mobile, and Mi 5S Plus is not. It's an old mobile, I could say, in comparison with Mi Max 3. So this, and it is really big. 6.9 inch screen display, 18:9 it's the screen to body ratio. 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel are the back cameras. 5,500 milliampere is the capacity of the battery, a really big battery, as all Mi Max have. You can see here is the hole for the SIM card, ear jack, volume buttons. It has double amplifier stereo and the Type-C connector. So let's see what else inside it. The pin for the SIM, a warranty card and a manual, all in Chinese of course. This version is the Chinese version. As you can see, it has a Chinese plug with the cable for charging and an adapter they have sent me from Cool. They were thoughtful enough. So let's see the mobile. Let's boot it up. Now Mi Max 3, as I told you, has a 6.9-inch screen display, LCD IPS with a 1080 to 2160 screen resolution. 1500 to 1 is the contrast ratio, with 2.5D curved glass screen. Frameless, as you can see, it's completely frameless. Scratch resistant. For processor, it has a Snapdragon 636, an octa-core processor with 8 Creo 260 clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. For the graphic card, for the GPU, it has the Adreno 509. This version came with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, but it can take also an external card up to 506 GB. No. So Mi Max 3. It has MIUI Global 9.6 stable, octa-core, max 1.8 GHz, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of ROM. It doesn't have any SIM card. Android 1.8.1. So it says here that it can update some application that it has. And there is no update for the ROM. Of course, I'm going to follow the procedure that I have done with my Mi 8 in order to unlock the bootloader and install ROM from Xiaomi EU. Now, the camera, as I said, is a double camera it has at the back. 12 megapixel is the resolution of the one, with a sensor from Samsung, the S5K2L7, and 5 megapixel, again from Samsung, S5K5E8, dual LED, and the front camera, it's 8 megapixel from Samsung is the sensor, S5K4H7. It supports dual SIM 2 nano, and it supports B20. For battery, it has a 5500 milliampere battery, which supports quick charge 3, 9 volt to 8 amperes, 18 watt, and also it supports Bluetooth 5. I'm going to install now some apps in order to see what really can manage this mobile. I have installed some apps, so let's run CPU-Z. Here it says Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. When it's Qualcomm Technologies SDM 636, this is the processor. Creo 260, octa-core, Adreno 509, it's not 12, the info here it's not that good. Mi Max 3, Android version 8.1, we continue with another application, Xiaomi Mi Max 3, 56% of the RAM, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, this shows the correct processor, 8 core, it starts from 0, this is for the Wi-Fi. Battery, it shows only 4,219 when it, here it says 5,500 milliampere is the battery. And let's run Antutu. Now, let's see, 35, as you can see, it's the temperature, 37.9, 37.9, so 37.9. So we start the test and we continue to the result. So it's almost at the end, the Antutu test. 96%, 99, and 180,247. Let's see, 37.1, 37.1, 35 in the middle, as you can see, and now it's 35. It gets cold very fast, as you can see. Now ranking. So 100. It's a little bit worse from what it says here from Huawei Nova 3i. Not bad for a Snapdragon 636. So as you can see here, and the difference, it's quite impressive. It's almost 2 of my fingers. It's really big mobile. It's 60 centimeters long, very big, when the screen of my Mi 5S Plus is just 12.5. So this is Mi Max 3 from Mad Doctor for iTech News. Check the site for more info, and I'm going to upload pictures when I'm going to unlock it, like my Mi 8, and install a EU ROM. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe in my YouTube channel for iTechNews.gr. Bye.